Thank you for watching Airbnb tour in Japan. I'm home at this Airbnb listed Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago Nishijin. Nishijin is very famous for producing high-quality silk fabrics. This Kyomachi was originally residence and workshop of a weaver. If you want to check out this place for yourself, the link of Airbnb is down below. Welcome everybody that's new to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and like and share this video. I'm going to show you Airbnb posted unique style house in Japan. This was the first Airbnb in the Kyomachiya special feature from the last time. So let's jump into this tour. This Kyomachiya is located in Nishijin, about a 15 minutes walk to Kinkakuji. Kamishichi-ken, Kyoto's oldest hanamachi, is 10 minutes walks away. To the west of Kamishichi-ken Street is Kitano Temmangu, which is famous as Shinto deity of scholarship. There are weaving houses around this Airbnb, and you can hear the sound of weaving as you walk down the street. Let's jump into the inside. When you enter the building, the entrance is open-air stairwell. The entrance is on the west side of the building, so it gets very bright afternoon. The beams are very large and have a strong presence and so symbolic. The flower arrangement that decorates the entrance is very beautiful. Looking up, there is a tile roof even though it is inside the house. This kaerumata was used as ornament in temples or shrines and has few hundreds history. Historical Tao Guardian Shoki enshrined at the house. When you open the door under this tile roof building, you will find a restroom. Newly renovated, it's very clean. There is a living room where you can see beautiful Fusuma painting. This Fusuma painting was drawn by Yoshio Yamamoto. He was born in Yamashina, Kyoto in 1939, has exhibited his works in solo exhibitions and has been working on the revival of local Yamashina paintings since 1999. Passing through the beautiful Fusuma, there is a main living room. This is a place where craftsmen used to weave. Looking up, you can see the huge and old beams. This is a work by a calligrapher named Tempu Miyata. He has introduced new techniques and ideas into traditional calligraphy. He is an innovative calligrapher who has created a new sensation in the Japanese calligraphers. The table on the tatami mats made from 1,000 years old yakusugi. You can see the beauty of the wood grain. The bottom of the table by the window is lowered one step, and if you sit here, you can use it as a work table. This is the living room passing through before. The cherry blossom picture on Fusuma is also drawn on this side. It was drawn by Nakagawa, an illustrator living in Kyoto. She holds solo exhibitions once or twice a year and produces many posters and calendar illustrations. Details are listed in below. Open the door on the right and you will find a built-in kitchen, a refrigerator, microwave, electric kettle, and rice cooker available. The sink has been renovated to a new one, and there is also an HE oven. There are plenty of dishes in the drawers. This is a lower shelf. There are plenty of cooking equipment. A toaster is also available. Return to the first living room. This room is decorated with a work by Saiga Nakagawa. Her work has won many awards and she is a teacher in the calligraphy class. Other works of calligraphy displayed at the entrance were drawn by Tensyu Ogaki. She has exhibited in many domestic and international exhibitions and has received awards. Let's open this door in the living room. This is a washroom. A washing machine and dryer are available. The beautiful tiles, table, and sink set are in harmony and very luxurious. This is a bathroom using the top quality koyamaki. The scent of wood is very pleasant and very relaxing. You can see the beautiful illuminated Japanese garden from the bath. When you open the sliding doors in the first living room, there is a staircase leading to the second floor. There is a space of about 4.5 tatami mats at the end of the stairs. There is a display shelf and you can see beautiful Fusuma painting. There is a second toilet here, which has been newly renovated. This is a bedroom. There are 2 double beds, which mattress is Simmons. There is a tokonoma on the right side, which is a combination of Japanese style and Western style rooms. There are antique lights, kite pieces, and old beams on the ceiling. Edo-era printing is decorated on the wall, showing the lives of geisha in the old days. There is an antique chest between the beds. Beautiful woven band is on the bed. A flower arrangement displayed on tokonoma. It's a work by flower artist Minoru Muranaka. There is a work of powerful wood carving dragon next to it. You can optionally reserve Kyoto cuisine from Okamoto Kobaian. You can enjoy your dinner while relaxing in a completely private kyomachi. Dishes are delivered like this, so you have to decorate by yourself. How was Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago Nishijin? Kyomachi, which is best known Nishijin Ori workshop, is equipped with top quality bathroom, and you can enjoy gorgeous works of art and delicious food. It must be very popular. You cannot make a reservation at this Kyomachi. I think this is definitely a 5-star Airbnb. Please tell me which part you like. I would be very happy if you could leave a comment below. See you again. Please subscribe this channel.